If you're using the Astra WordPress theme and want to remove the header from just one page, maybe a landing page or a sales page that needs a nice, distraction-free look, this tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly hide the header on any page in Astra with zero coding required, so your site can look polished and purposeful exactly the way you want. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the WordPress dashboard and open up the page you want to change. For example, maybe you're working on a new landing page and want visitors to focus only on your main content, without the top navigation or site title getting in the way. Once you're viewing the page in the WordPress block editor, take a look at the sidebar on the right side of your screen. You should see a range of options. Sometimes it's easy to overlook, so if you don't see anything, make sure the sidebar is open by clicking the little gear icon at the top if necessary. Here, where Astra makes things really easy, look for the Astra icon. It's a simple letter A within the sidebar controls. Clicking this icon opens up extra settings just for the Astra theme, and this is your gateway to a lot of handy customization features that many users don't realize exist. Scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Disable Elements. This section is like your control panel for hiding the header, footer, and other parts of the page without changing anything site-wide. If you're not sure which header you're hiding, this will remove the main site header, which usually includes your logo, primary navigation menu, and sometimes some extra widgets. Now simply toggle on Disable Primary Header. The switch turns blue, and right away you're telling Astra not to display the site header on this particular page. This is fantastic for special-purpose pages like opt-in forms, contact forms, or product sales pages, where you really want to keep the layout streamlined and distraction-free. If you also want to hide the footer at the very bottom of the page, say, to remove copyright text or footer menus, just toggle Disable Footer in the same area. At this point, you've made all the changes you need, but don't forget this crucial last step. Click Update at the top right of the page editor. This saves your settings. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your page, updating might take a few seconds, so don't worry if there's a short pause. Once that's done, click Preview to make sure the header and footer, if you toggled it off, are truly gone on that specific page. You'll see your content with no top navigation, just the clean look you wanted. One thing to remember: these changes only affect the page you edited, not your whole site. So your home page and other content will still show the site header just as before. This lets you fine-tune your site's appearance exactly where you need it, without any risk of breaking the layout elsewhere. And that's it. No code, no confusion, just a few toggles and your page is header-free thanks to Astra's flexible options. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into anything unusual, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and Astra tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy building.